Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's understand one of the most important Java 8 interview questions. The question is, what is a lambda expression? Before we looking at the definition, let's understand the basic idea. Suppose you want to pass some logic to a method. Traditionally, Java required us to write a lot of code, especially when working with interfaces. Java 8 introduced lambda expression to make this much simpler. Instead of writing a complete implementation, we can directly write the logic we want to execute. Now let's look at the definition. A lambda expression is an anonymous function introduced in Java 8 that provides an implementation of a functional interface's single abstract method. Now what does this actually means? Anonymous function means the function doesn't have a name, and a functional interface is an interface that contains exactly one abstract method. For example, in our calculator interface, we have only one abstract method called add. So instead of creating an anonymous class and writing the complete implementation, Lambda allows us to provide that implementation directly. The basic syntax is parameters followed by an arrow and then expression. For example, a comma b are inside the parenthesis arrow a plus b. Here a and b are the parameters. The arrow separates the parameters from the logic, and a plus b is expression. Please check simple examples here. In first example, lambda takes no parameters. The arrow operator which separates the parameters from the expression, and system.out.println is the logic that gets executed. In second example, x is the parameter and we are returning x multiplied by 2. Next, a comma b are inside the parenthesis arrow a plus b. Here a comma b are the two parameters. The arrow separates the logic and returns their sum. Next, why do we use lambda expression? Using lambda expression, we can reduce boilerplate code, make our code more concise, clean and readable. Supports functional programming. It is commonly used with Stream API and collections. Also, it can improve productivity and maintainability. Next, now let's look at practical example. Before Java 8, we have to create an anonymous class to implement the calculator interface. But with Java 8, we can simply write calculator C equal to a comma b are inside the parenthesis arrow a plus b. Here calculator C is the functional interface reference. A comma b are inside the parenthesis are the two parameters. The arrow separates the parameters from the logic, and a plus b is the expression that returns their sum. So when we call c dot add of 10 comma 20, the output is 30. Next, interview ready answer. If the interviewer asks what is lambda expression, you can answer like this. A lambda expression is an anonymous function introduced in Java 8 that provides a concise implementation of a functional interface's single abstract method. It reduces boilerplate code and is widely used with functional programming, collections and the Stream API. That's all about the lambda expression. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for more Java full stack real-time interview questions. Thank you.